It's a specialised programme specialising in all aspects of business law. We offer a range of options in business law. We cover pretty much all aspects of business law. We've got commercial law, we've got corporate insolvency, personal insolvency, we've got credit and security, we've got financial services, we've got banking, we've got consumer law. So we've got a range of relevant subjects, and we also have a business law and practice module, which is something we take very seriously. And of course, students can complete an LLM thesis on their preferred area of specialisation in the area of business law. The students have to take 60 taught credits, and the thesis is 30 credits. So it's a 90 credit module or 90 credit course with 60 taught and 30 for the thesis. Students have to take one module or only one module that is a requirement, which is the Business Law and Practice module, which is a 5 credit module. Beyond that, we have a very wide range of options, some at 10 credits, some at 5 credits. Typically the 10 credit options are for 24 hours. They're a 24-hour course. The 5 credit options are a 12-hour course, typically delivered over 2 hours per week. The thesis, which is completed in the summer months generally, and submission is by the end of September of the year after entry, is a 30 credit module. And as part of that, students also do various methodology sessions and also presentation skills sessions and have to present on their thesis. So we develop their skills not just in research and writing, but also in presentation. I think one of the most exciting things about the LLM is the business law and practice element. What we're trying to do here is to expose students to how business law actually works. So we get people who are working with business law in all sorts of areas of practice, and they come in to us and provide students with exposure to the real world. So we're very concerned with a real world approach. So we will have regulators, we will have business people, we will have lawyers working in commercial law firms and in commercial law areas. And the goal of that is to ensure that students are exposed to the realities of the law and not just to academic elements of the law. So that's something we're very excited about. We're also excited by the capacity to provide a very wide range of options. We've quite a lot of expertise in a whole range of areas of business law within the faculty. So we can offer a wide range of options. We can also offer a wide range of supervision. So students can choose pretty much any area of business law and be confident of having an expert supervisor in that area. Well, we're hoping obviously to attract people who've got law degrees and have completed their undergraduate training in law or law and another discipline. We're also concerned to attract people who are working in business using the law. So they may not necessarily have a law degree, but they're using the law. For example, we recently have accepted an applicant who had a background in commerce, but is working with the law and practice in a HR context. So that's the kind of person that we are hoping to attract, as well as, of course, the traditional law student. That kind of person greatly enriches the course, and we hope that we have something to offer to them as well. We have a wide range of options. We have financial law, we have commercial law, we have credit and security law, we have banking law, we have corporate insolvency, we have also quite a number of IP modules, intellectual property modules, electronic commerce. We have quite an expertise in the faculty in that area as well, so we're able to tie into that area of expertise, intellectual property and e-law, and a whole range of modules in that area also. We would hope that our students would go into the professions, not just in Ireland, but elsewhere. A business law qualification, a really good, high quality business law qualification, which we will offer students, enables students to become involved in a whole range of professional activities in the business law area. Obviously, there's the legal profession in Ireland and elsewhere. One thing to remember about this programme is we offer an excellent grounding in European business law, as well as obviously Irish and UK-based business law. So our students are well set up to practice both in Europe and beyond. We also hope and expect that our students will get involved in a range of other professional activities, not just directly the legal profession. So, for example, we would expect our students to become involved in regulatory functions. We've already had students from various programmes who have started to work with central banks, with financial services ombudsmans, with various kinds of regulatory bodies, again, in Ireland and elsewhere, because the regulatory learning which they get from this programme sets them up very, very well for that kind of model. Clearly, we would expect some of our students who will be entrepreneurs, who will be interested in business, to go into business. We would also hope that other professions, this programme will be attractive for students going to other professions, for example, various tax-based professions and accountancy-based professions. And again, some of our graduates have already been very successful in making a transition out of law to both accountancy and tax-based professions, where of course the legal training is incredibly valuable, particularly if you get into areas of insolvency and areas like that.